everyone, and welcome to Yommycrochetlogy. This is Yummy Brown.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds.
And today we will be styling a summer crochet dress. Throw some cute garments around it, cute pieces for you to match up with the little dress. So before anything else, this is the dress, the cute dress that I'm talking about. This is the most amazing project I've done since I started crocheting 6 years ago. So this is so cute. It has a peacock or a pineapple edge that I added. It is a little bit see-through, that's why I added a lining underneath, so you know it's comfy and not so showy. And it has a nice back. The back is crisscross design, and it has a adjustable strings or straps here, and it has a padding. I added a padding because again it's just for cover up, because it's kind of like see-through, and I have a scallop design at the edge. So overall it's so cute and romantic. You can wear it anywhere, a date night with your boyfriend or husband, just stroll down the park. It's so cute. You just have to throw pieces of cloth or cardigan or anything. So I will link below the pattern where I bought the pattern. She's amazing. She made this pattern and it's so easy to follow. Even if you're a beginner or you've been crocheting for a while, you can easily follow that pattern. It's amazing. And let me know in the comment section which design or which styling is your favorite. And please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified for my next cute fun video. And let's get started!
So my first style is for winter season or cold days. I just throw a coat around my shoulder and I pair it with a belt around my waist. And also I like the combination of black and red or maroon since it actually pops up the color of the dress. And it's good for date night out or just a stroll down the city. So my second style is still for winter or cold days. I throw a sea foam collar coat. It has a gold chain neckline, and it actually gives the dress a feminine touch, but a very sophisticated one that you could actually wear for a lunch or for a church kind of look. Third look or style is for autumn season where it's not so cold yet, but you can already feel the wind changing its temperature. And I like the color combination. It gives you a feel of corporate look. You can wear this in your workplace or some formal events or just a coffee date down in the main road or in the city with your friends or boyfriend or a husband. And pair it with a pearl necklace. So I have here my fourth look or style. I just throw a denim jacket over my dress. This is the kind of look that I opted if I have a city tour or walk down the CBD or going to an adventure or amusement park, that you have to look a little bit tough but still with a feminine touch in your outfit. So here is my fifth style. I just put in a green crop top jumper or jacket. I twist the side or tie the side just so it's not so buggy to look. You can wear it in the cold days too, or autumn, or a tropical Australian winter. This will do. And you can also pull the sleeve just to give it more effect on overall look of the dress. I have here my sixth style or look, and this one is for summer. And I just throw a white bolero that's made of sheer fabric with a lace design in the arm. This kind of gives you the impression of being a sweet girlfriend sipping coconuts down the beach with your boyfriend. So here is my final style or look. This is for spring. I throw in a floral kimono to incorporate the season in a rattan bag. This is cute for picnic down the beach or the park.
And that's all for our styling today. Thank you for having fun with me. I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you guys can be notified for the next fun videos. And also don't forget to tell me which combination and which style do you like best and why. Just comment down in the comment box section. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!
I know we got something